Hi guys, Tech James here. So recently the DOS game of Prince of Persia was actually ported over onto the PS Vita. They did port it onto the Nintendo Switch as well, but they've done a really nice job of it. They've got it working like really well. So I thought we could test it out in this video and see how well it performs. So let's go ahead and open up Vita Shell. You will need to do that if you want to go ahead and get this game. So let's just wait for this to load up. Let's press select, go and connect our PS Vita to our PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. So there will be a link to it in the description, and here it is, the SDL Prince of Persia. So basically this was roughly released about 10 days ago for the PlayStation Vita, and it basically tells you how to install it. So we need to get the VPK and the Prince zip file. So what we're going to do is scroll down and we're just going to find both of these files, and here they are. Here is the VPK, so we're just going to click on this, and then here is the zip file. So just click on both of these links and it will download these two files. So once they've finished downloading, what we can actually do is just go to our downloads folder and we can actually find the files in there. So the first thing we want to do is get our VPK file and drag and drop that onto the root of our PlayStation Vita. Next, you need to get the print zip file, right click it and just select extract here. It's actually going to put it into a Prince file folder. Now this file folder has all of the levels and kind of like game information in. This actually needs to go into our data folder over on our UXO. So let's just drag and drop that across as well. And then once that is copied across, both of them shouldn't take too long. We can disconnect our PS Vita from our PC, let's install it and let's test it out. So now that we are back, let's go onto our UXO and let's install the game. Also make sure your files are put in the data folder on your UXO. You should have done that on a computer. But let's just scroll down and here it is, SDL Prince of Persia. So let's just press X on this VPK file, X again just like normal, and then X one more time, and let's just install it. So it shouldn't take too long to install this one. And once that has done installing, we can close our Vita Shell and let's find the game. So here it is, the Prince of Persia game. Let's go and launch this one up. So straight away, the colours look very good. It looks very vibrant. Let's try and just start a game. This also does have full working sound. So let's test out some gameplay. Now the analog sticks do not work in this game. You have to use the D-pad and the buttons. Circle is basically the up button, so that's like the jump button. And yeah, I've seen a few YouTube videos on this, but I haven't really played it myself. I'm not really into these old games so much, but let's test this out anyway. So it seems to be performing pretty well. If you want to get it into full screen mode, you just press select and it will full screen, or you can have it like kind of like the normal screen. It's entirely up to you. You can also press start, and this is where you can view the game menu. So we have resume, save game, load game, restart level, settings and quit game. If we take a look at settings, we have got general settings, so you guys can have a look at those, pretty much like music and stuff. Gameplay settings. So this does actually have cheats on here as well. We've got visuals, you can view all the visual stuff, you can change tons and tons of settings on this thing. We've got mods, so you can enable mods on this. I'm pretty sure you can enable the mods, like they're actually like built into it, so you can put mods on right now. And there's maybe some pretty interesting ones in here. And then obviously we've got back, so we can go back, let's resume game, and let's just test out some gameplay. So I believe this guy's going to kill us. So yeah, I have seen a few YouTube videos of this. I don't know how to play the full version, and I won't be playing like the whole game in this video. So if you do want to, you know, try and complete the game, what you can actually do is follow it along on the YouTube videos. And there you go, I just died. So it's quite a hard game actually, but I guess you'll get the hang of it. Let's just try that one again. I'll just get back to where I died. There you go, did it. And then I think you stand on this and then it will actually open the door. So as I said, there's going to be complete tutorials for this over on YouTube, so if you want to follow them, you can actually go ahead and yeah. There you go, getting the hang of it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you check out this game if you want to play it. It looks like a pretty good game. It's a classic. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.